how to fix the audio not working on your Dell laptop. So whether you're unable to hear any sound whatsoever, or you can hear sound but the audio's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and fix these issues. Now, first thing you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar, and you need to go and right click on the volume icon and click on sound settings. Now click on the drop down arrow next to output, and this is where we need to select where we want the audio to be playing out from on our computer. So typically you're either going to select some speakers or your headphones. I've got my speakers selected here. You're then going to make sure this volume is turned all the way up. You can then scroll down to troubleshoot common sound problems and click on output devices. Now this will automatically try to diagnose any issues with your audio. So it's going to ask, do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics? Just go and press yes. You can then go through the steps to make sure your audio is working. Now if you're still having an issue, then come down to more sound settings and click on this. Click on the playback tab at the very top of this screen. And here you'll find all of your speakers and your output devices. Now you need to make sure that your speakers or your headphones are set to the default device, and you can do that by selecting them and clicking set default. You also need to make sure your speakers are enabled, and you can do that just by right clicking and pressing enable if you see the option here. Now lastly, we're going to right click on our speakers and click on properties. You can then click on levels and make sure the sound's turned up. Click on advanced. Make sure enable audio enhancements is turned off like this. Click on the drop down arrow and make sure the highest number of hertz is selected, and then press apply and OK. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window, right click on the volume icon again, and this time click on open volume mixer. Now if you're unable to hear sound in a specific application, it could just be that it's muted in this apps list here. So just make sure the volume sliders are turned up for the app you're trying to play audio from, and then go and press this reset button at the very bottom. Now if you have tried all of the steps so far and you're still having an audio issue, then open up the start menu and search for device manager and click on this window here. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to sound, video and game controllers. From the list you need to go and locate your speakers, so mine's this Realtek audio device here. Now we're just going to right click on this and select update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, go and select the high definition audio device, and then you can press next. Now finally go and click on action and then press scan for hardware changes. Once you've done all of this, you can then go and restart your computer, and that should have now fixed any audio issues on your Dell laptop.